6 brass locks picked for Peter. Hope he's doing well. Hey guys, it's Joe with Average Joe Lock Sport. I see some things on the lock sport community, something about picking a lock for Peter. I did read something about he was sick or ill or not able to come back, and if I'm not mistaken, I thought they said something about brass locks. So I'm not sure who this Peter is, but I would like to help out in my way. So we are going to pick a brass lock for Peter. We got a Master 140. And like I said, this is going to be picked for Peter. Okay, there is one brass lock picked for Peter. Okay, we got an Abus 5540. Another brass lock. And there is an Abus 5540 brass lock. A second one picked for Peter. Bottom of the keyway tension and my snake rake. Okay, we're going to do a third brass lock. For Peter. Okay. There is another Abus 5540. That's brass lock number 3 for Peter. Okay, we have a Euro brass cylinder. Again, another brass lock Euro cylinder. There's another one picked. That is number 4 brass cylinder for Peter. Here is a brass rim cylinder. There is a 5th brass lock for Peter. And this will be the last brass lock we have here. And there's another one. Okay, YouTubers, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, there are 6 brass locks picked for Peter. Peter, I hope you are doing okay, even though I don't know you. Here are your 6 brass locks picked. 2 Abus 5540s, 1 Master 140, 1 Euro cylinder, 2 rim cylinder. Okay, YouTube. That's all for Peter. If you guys like what you see, give me a thumbs up and or subscribe. Otherwise, Peter, I hope everything gets better for you. Have a good day. 6 brass locks picked for Peter. Peter, I hope you're doing well. Goodbye.